Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Freecash not working. I'm actually going to show you guys multiple methods on how you can fix this, okay? So the first method is if you are using iPhone or Android phone, make sure you update the app to the latest version. So just go to Play Store or App Store and then search for Freecash and make sure you click on update so that you can update it to the latest version. Now, if all the things you do are not trackable and you don't see your earnings on Freecash, then probably it has to do with cookies inside your laptop or your phone. So if you are using iPhone, for example, you want to go to settings and then click on Safari and then ensure prevent cross-site tracking is turned off. Because if it's turned on, all the things you do will not be trackable, so you will not make any progress and no money, okay? So ensure block all cookies is turned off. So another thing I noticed that a lot of people do is they use VPN. Like if you use VPN, like Freecash can recognize that and you will not track your progress, okay? Just that alone can literally cause this problem for like Freecash not working problem, okay? So just remove any VPN, or you can change it. If that's the only thing you can do, you can change your VPN to something else and then check if it works. So if you are using, for example, browser, you are using a browser on your laptop, you can change your browser to Brave, okay? Just download Brave browser and then open your account there, your Freecash account, and then check if everything works now, okay? So just click on Get Brave and then download it and then check if this problem is still there or not. So if all of these guys doesn't work, what I recommend you to do is you want to go to your Freecash. This is going to help everyone, by the way. Freecash website, and then scroll down and then click on Contact, and then after that you want to click on Get Started. Not really here, you want to click on Live Support here, okay? And then you will be able to talk to a real person. Click on Messages and then click on Send Us Message, and then click on I need help with an offer, or I need help with cash out, I need help with I need help with my Freecash account. And then it will say, did this help you? And say no, because say I want to talk to someone, so that you can talk to a real agent, okay? I have questions about bonus, reward, or event, and then click continue. So now you can talk to someone. As you can see, just explain to them exactly what's happening on, and then click send, and then someone is going to reply to you and then tell you exactly what to do. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it does, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like if you have any questions, go to the comments below, tell me exactly what's happening with your Freecash. I will try to reply to everyone with a solution, okay? Hopefully this one helped you.